Today we are going to show you how to make your own dessert charcuterie board. First, we are going to show you how to make your own peppermint dip. You'll need an 8-ounce block of softened cream cheese, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, a 1/2 teaspoon of peppermint extract, 1 container of Cool Whip, crushed candy cane, and a 1/3 cup of mini chocolate chips. Beat the cream cheese until it's light and fluffy using an electric mixer or a whisk. Add your Cool Whip. Add peppermint, extract, and sugar. Add your chocolate chips. And fold it into your dip. This dip goes really well with Milano cookies. Second, cut your fruit into different shapes. For our board, we used strawberries, berries, and bananas. We also used cookie cutters. To cut your strawberries into hearts, use a small, sharp knife to cut out the stem of the strawberry, like so. Slice the strawberry from the center of the fruit with a heart-shaped cutter. To cut your bananas into stars, slice them into large discs. You can use a cookie cutter to cut the discs into star shapes like so. Third, select a combination of sweet and salty profiles for other snacks on your board. Grab your charcuterie board and bowls. Fourth, start prepping your board. You can use parchment paper to drape your board. Fifth, start assembling your board. For the final look, we added tea lights. The board can be used for formal occasions or even just a casual night in. We hope you enjoy learning how to make your own dessert charcuterie board.